So welcome to the SENSOR+TEST this year here in Nuremberg. We as the editorial team from messweb.de will report about the latest innovations and trends about sensors and measurement here live from our studio in Nuremberg. So with me is now Gertjan Vriends from Netherlands, and he's the regional sales manager Eastern and Southern Europe from Zemic. And we want to talk about strained gauge technology with a focus on robotics today. So welcome in our studio.
Thank you very much. Nice to be here.
Yeah, thank you. So what role do strain gauges play in modern robotics, and how do the requirements differ from classical industrial applications?
The strain gauges normally are used to measure, to weigh products. That's the classical way of using a strain gauge in a metal element. And with robotics, the industry changed and we measure more for force feedback and safety. So we work together with Robotics. Robotics is mostly used. People work with robotics. And when people work with robotics, it needs to be safe because the arm will swing around and it will do whatever it's programmed to. But the strain gauge now detects force. And for example, when I touch the arm, then the robot will stop. So it's mostly for safety. And in the past, strain gauges were used for weighing technology.
So how does strain gauges technology contribute to providing precision, feedback and safety in these robotic systems?
It's by measuring the strain. So when there's force on the arm, when there's a weight on the arm, the material where the strain gauge is inside will deflect. And then there will be a signal, a change of signal. And that's measured. And that's what strain gauges do in the robotics.
Okay. So which specific Zemic products has been optimized or new developed for robotic applications? You have brought these to the SENSOR+TEST in this year.
Yes, exactly. We have multiple. For example, one that is for touch measurement. So when you touch something, it's installed in robotics for fingertips. And we've also brought this one. And this sensor is a multi-axis sensor. So when there's an arm installed on top of it, it moves in different directions. And this load cell detects which direction the robot is moving to and how it works with touching.
Yeah, okay. So we can show it to the camera. This is it, the new sensor, the new product.
Yeah, and normally a sensor is used to measure in one direction. And this one is used in 6 axes, so multiple directions.
Okay, yeah. So what future trends do you see in the interaction between strain gauge technology and autonomous or collaborative robots?
Yeah, it's like told earlier, it's the combination in working with robots together with people. And robots are programmed, and it's still, there needs to be human interference. And when there's human interference, the robot needs to know when to stop. And that's why there are load cells or strain gauges inside the robot to measure the force, to measure when to stop, and to know which direction it's moving.
So very exciting technology. Thank you for being here in the studio. And I think we will report about this technology on messweb.de like every day and every week in our newsletters. And thank you for being here and for being in the studio. Thank you.
Thank you.